guys, we out here today chilling at the campsite. I got the fire going, just started. Rained all night, so I gotta get this fire working, man. So Octavia's over there cooking, got the food chopped up, got the little camp food dish, you know what I'm saying? Eggs, hot dogs chopped up real nice. Oh, sorry, baby. Rained all night, guys. I gotta get this fire right. It looks like it's doing something. Yeah. It's my trash right here. This tent did us really. If you guys ever been camping before, comment down below and tell me what you think, what you guys do when y'all go camping, and what's the best thing, best meals to cook when y'all go camping.
Always bring s'mores at camping.
Yeah. This tent held up for us today, last night, man. It really surprised me. It rained all night, and I didn't get a drop of rain on us, man. I couldn't really get the tent down the way I wanted because this is like a lot of rock under here. So I couldn't really get my stakes in the ground pretty tight. So it was a little loose on certain spots. Our usual spot was too wet, so we couldn't even get over there, but it did pretty good. I put it together pretty good, right? What you think, guys? So guys, comment down below, holla at us, man. Subscribe, like, and comment. We're gonna have a lot more videos like this, man. Last night was crazy. We had a great adventure last night, man. We went on a quick little hike. It was dark, so it was a little scary, but it was fun. We had a great time. Hi. Hi, Kalani.
Hi. Hi.
You at the window?
Yeah.
Hi, y'all.
Our trash is here. We try to keep our campsite clean, man. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned, man. We got a nice little hike going on next, so stay tuned. We're gonna take a shower, get comfortable, and we'll see y'all back in a minute. What you got, Ruthie?
Cherry and lemonade.
Cherry and lemonade. What you got, Khalil?
I got grapes. I want to get
Why you holding
You
like
got
that?
orange?
Too cold?
Look at that joint right there, man. I want one of those right there, man. One day, I'm gonna get me one of those. We're gonna be traveling everywhere.
Look how the rain is just falling on the sun, hitting the river. This is so nice. Shit. Wow. Isn't this beautiful? See how the rain is just lightly hitting it? Day 2 of our camping trip. This is our last night, so we're just exploring the area around. This is so nice. The children are sleeping, so they're missing it. This is nice, right?
I know it's fishing here. I know they got some fish in this joint.
Yeah.
Tell.
What do you call those again? Lily pads for the frogs?
Yeah, lily pad. Little drizzle. I thought the rain was gonna be bad, so we're gonna make our s'mores when we get back.
Oh, my phone.
The rain is definitely not bad. You know what I'm saying, guys? The rain is definitely not bad, yo. Look at this, man. Now, this is what you call living. It's short. They were sleeping, they up now. What's up, y'all? Stop hiding, Ruthie. You be trying to hide. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Kalani. Hi, Kalani. You see the water? It's a lot of water, right? It's nice. There's a lot of fish in there. Ruthie, what the?
She been busting her ass all day. Hi, you see the water?
Stop hiding and look.
No.
I see little bubbles. I don't know. I'm like, hold on. You see the little bubbles? I don't know.
That's the rain.
It's coming down. They said no swimming. I wonder why no swimming. Why no swimming, guys? Tell me. Is it sharks or not sharks? Alligators. Alligators. Maybe snapper turtles. They want to see me. But yo, tell me, guys, what you think? You think it's a shark in here? Not sharks.
It could be eels.
Maybe snapper turtles. Maybe snapper
some
turtles.
eels or some leeches.
Or snatching turtles, snapper turtles also. What else? Snakes. Come on.
And lions.
Snakes.
They do, but I can't.
We got a campfire coming, guys, so stay tuned. I'm gonna try to make the biggest campfire ever. The biggest campfire ever. Stay tuned. Trying to get these smalls together, guys.
It's spilled again?
Huh?
The lighter food?
There's a little bit left, a little bit left.
It's spilled again?
Yep. I don't know how. I don't fucking know, man.
Daddy, don't forget the sticks and s'mores.
Hmm?
The sticks.
Give me one more word. In the fire, watch out, mama. When you want to see the fire get busy,
Yeah. Daddy, got more sticks. Left. Ooh, that looks good.
that's it.
Wow.
We're gonna use more. We're gonna use a little bit for to cook the thing, okay? So, God, we got the fire started early. Trying to get it going. See what we're doing the formula, you know what I'm saying, with the Vaseline. Right, baby girl?
Yeah.
Hey, listen, we getting it going. We're not playing. It's the last night here. It's the last night here. We're gonna blow this place up. We're gonna have the biggest bonfire ever. Right, guys?
Yeah.
The biggest ever. So stay tuned. The Hustle family, let's go. Have fun. Enjoy your life. Let's go, baby.
That's a cricket.
So what are y'all doing?
We getting some wood for the camping spot.
Wood for the fire? So where you looking for wood at?
You gotta get wood for the campfire.
Show me how much wood you got already.
So, Daddy I just put these woods in, and I just put these woods in so they combine so they can put the fire on.
Okay, I like your socks. Let me see, what socks are those?
It's Luigi.
Luigi. Kalani, where your socks? Let me see your socks.
It's Mario.
Oh, you got Mario. What I got?
Koala the Zoo.
Corella who?
Koala the Zoo.
Corella Lazille. Corella DeVille.
Koala the Zoo.
Corella DeZille. I like your socks. Yeah, guys, we sell these socks too. All different flavors.
The flavor.
I thought you was getting wood. What happened?
Oh, I'm gonna get some wood for a minute. Wood, anyway, wood.
No, not that. Be careful, don't wait. Watch out, Mama, it's hot.
It's on the floor.
Yeah, the fire is getting ready now. It's ready. Tonight we're gonna be looking good tonight. Lit up.
We gotta take a
That's what it's called, fall up. I was like, I'm gonna get shit hot.
Come here, watch what you throwing there over her head. Don't put it on her head.
Careful. Pay attention.
Fireman.
Yo, listen, this is how we do it, man. We gotta have fun. Enjoy your life. Tell them, Tay. Tell them.
Have fun.
Enjoy your life. We always trying to hide. They gonna know you really gonna see that.
We been waiting to go camping for a minute, so
Your cousin now.
they just in the
You almost got
dirt.
1,000 subscribers.
That's it.
Yo, 1,000 subscribers, guys. Come on. 1,000 subscribers. Subscribe! Listen, your boy know how to do a fire, bro. You heard?
Eat my girl.
Let me put the water on now.
Let me put the water on. Hold on. You can put the water on now. Let me get just a little more. Let me get to burn down a little more. Cause that cold, that was cold in there. When it was, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I had to break these woods down, chop them down, because it was wet. So I had to make sure they were dry the best way I can. And I put some lighter fluid in. That was it.
Busting out the shirt though.
That was it.
I'm getting it. Careful, guys. What are you making?
Oh, Kalani one is already
Kalani,
done.
what you making?
You make it.
Manella. S'mores? I know the fire is hot. It's gonna get nice and crispy.
For real. My eye.
I'm not putting it close enough to the fire.
We gotta move away when the smoke blows a certain way. We gotta turn the other way.
Right here, look where I'm at. Look right there.
All right, let me get the crackers ready.
Oh. Look at killing the s'mores. How you like the s'mores?
Good.
Huh? You like them?
I like them.
You like them too? I know you do. Look at this fire, guys. This is beautiful tonight. Kalani, you like the s'mores?
Yeah.
Wow. S'mores are nice. Look at that.
It's good.
Yeah.
But it does.
Ruthie got her little eggs. You know what I'm saying? Ball eggs, you know what I'm saying? Nice and hot from the fire, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. She can't even peel them. That's how hot it is. Quick. Took 10 minutes. I tell you, how you enjoying this, man? It's beautiful, right? Don't you miss this?
Yeah, we was waiting for it.
Yeah, it's about that time, guys. For real.
Yeah.
S'mores, s'mores, s'mores. Let's go. S'mores on deck. Comment down below, guys, if y'all niggas Comment down below, guys, if y'all know about s'mores, man. These are one of the best camping meals, snacks that you can even think of right here.
Back up, y'all.
Tastes so good. Who agree with me?
Me.
Who loves s'mores?
Me.
Who loves s'mores?
Me.
Who loves s'mores?
Me.
Who loves s'mores?
Me.
All right.
Who loves s'mores?
Shut up. The smoke got in my nose
Like
real quick.
Snorlax.
Huh?
Snorlax.
No.
Oh.
The eggs is kicking up butt. It's too hot.
No, it's good now.
They all the way cut? They went through? Oh, they cook all the way through. Ah. You can't mess with us, B. Listen, our camping skills are upgrading. We upgrading our camping skills, right, guys?
Yeah.
You don't think we upgrading?
Yeah.
The egg cook all the way through?
Yeah. 10 minutes.
Oh.
Don't eat all
That was
the
10
chocolate
minutes.
now. Yeah, I had to dirty it.
That was not even 10 minutes.
No. Was it?
If your egg cooked for 10 minutes, it wouldn't be overdone. It took like 3 to
It is for it's
8
cooked.
minutes.
2 minutes.
Yeah.
It's okay. I need that.
Look at that camping
What
meal,
happens
guys.
if
Look at that. That's a new style right there. What'd you call that? Buttered eggs?
What a- That's fine. Look, it's hot. I'm gonna put the graham crackers and stuff in after you put it on.
Yeah, right? Get that extra burn on it.
Mm-hmm.
I got
Ooh, good one. Oh, that chocolate is sweet. Oh my god.
Yeah. I only had one. I was like, let me chill out.
Mm.
Later, I might want some later. That's why I'm trying to keep this fire really going. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Kalani is good?
Sure. Yeah.
We're trying to be generous with the wood. We only got a few more pieces left. I chopped up we had 2 cases, right?
Wait, that's all the wood?
Yep.
Enough?
Yep.
From all that stuff you cut in there?
Yep.
That's the rest of it?
Yep. That's it, guys.
Lying.
That's
No
all of
way.
the.
I gotta
That's all of it right here.
Wow.
That's it.
Wow. That wood is gone. You broke it up too.
I beat you. You bigger than me? Yeah.
What's that gonna do with anything? Oh!
Party is big.
You enjoy this last little bit of fire. Let's see.
I
put the light
know,
on.
it's trying
Put the
to
light- Let's see. Let's enjoy
Alright.
the light.
Alright guys, we are about to leave
Man, it was great.
camping. Hope we got enough footage for y'all to see. We was
Man.
trying to enjoy it, so we didn't get to
Yeah.
get all the good stuff. But we got some.
We got some good stuff. Just enjoy, man. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe,
Yes,
man.
subscribe. We almost there to 1,000.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing this on a regular, so there's a lot of
Yeah.
adventures we got going on. So stay
I
tuned,
know.
baby.
The kids are in the car. We about to leave.
Yeah. See you later. I don't miss you. We coming back again though. So
Yeah, we coming back. We'll be back. So we are out. Adios.
guys, y'all ready? Let's go see what's our next adventure gonna be. All right? You tell me. What's our next adventure? Stay tuned. We got a lot in store for you guys.